There is no easier way to pass your CPCs than go into my home channel, picking a membership. I'll send you the scenarios, the questions, the answers, all the Kahoots so you can practice in your own time, on your mobile phone or on your laptop. I'm Leon Clifton, this is ADR Training. Truck General, this is test 1. Maximum GVW of 3 axle.
I'm hungry now.
I don't like that much.
What's kerosene?
Kerosene. It's what you use for heating oil, and it's also used for airplane fuel. But 1223 is heating oil kerosene. There's only 3 numbers you really need to know to do your ADR, and it's 1203, which is petrol, 1202, which is diesel, and 1223, which is kerosene. They're the only numbers you need to memorize. Remember what I told you, if you don't know the answer, what do you go for?
Oh, yeah.
Where can you break the weight restriction on the bridge?
Who is doing these spellings?
Look, not all. When I have students and they do these, English isn't always their first language, you know, so they're writing like a second language. So we'll have to forgive their spellings. What is the minimum tie depth? Oh, I could go in and correct them, but I'm too lazy. What is the minimum tie depth? .6 millimeters. What is not part of? Oh, you wouldn't know this. You can have a guess. What is not part of ADR PPE? Good. Safety footwear. You must have goggles when you're working with ADR. You must have a high-vis vest, and you must have gloves. All of that is on our document called the Instructions in Writing, which you'll be familiar with later. Can you drive your truck off scope on a private farm? How can overloading affect your vehicle? Which UN number represents petrol? Remember I said 1202 is diesel, 1203 is petrol, 1223 is kerosene. What does a tachograph measure? What's the UN number for petrol? Going up. What forces increase? Going up. What is the maximum GVW of a 4-axle? 4-axle vehicle, shouldn't say trailer, should say vehicle. When is it legal to park on the footpath? Tachograph units are downloaded how often? Three months, or it might say 90 days. Maximum height of a truck. .65. Filling ratio for a non-baffled truck. Over 7,500 meters. Less than 20% or more than 80%, so it's either empty or almost full, so it doesn't slush around. Okay. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. And like and subscribing to my channel helps other people like you find them. I'm Leon Clifton.